Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Crypto Farm app. First, download the app from your device's app store and complete the installation. Next, you'll create your account by providing necessary details and setting up a secure password. Remember to enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security, protecting your digital assets from unauthorized access. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and safe farming experience. Once your account is ready, it's time to dive into farming. The app offers various farming pools. Choose one that aligns with your investment goals. Understand the different cryptocurrencies you can farm and their associated risks and rewards. The interface makes it easy to track your active farms, view real-time earnings, and manage your assets efficiently. Consistent monitoring helps optimize your farming strategy for better results. As your crypto farm grows, you'll want to manage your earnings. The app provides clear steps for withdrawing your farmed assets to an external wallet. You also have the option to reinvest your profits directly back into farming pools, potentially increasing your future returns. Be aware of any transaction fees associated with withdrawals or reinvestments, as these can impact your net earnings. Plan your strategy carefully for optimal financial management. To get the most out of your Crypto Farm app, explore advanced features such as yield optimization tools and detailed analytics. Always prioritize security by regularly updating your password and enabling all available authentication methods. Stay informed about market trends to make smart farming decisions. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This will help you maintain a secure and profitable crypto farming journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.